Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and tool lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, a roundup of 15 incredible tools that will revolutionize the way you tackle projects. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or just love getting your hands dirty with some weekend DIY, we've got something for everyone. So, let's dive in.
Number 1. The Stein 64-in-1 Gearless Ratchet Screwdriver Bit Set, priced at $45.99, redefines efficiency in toolkits. Its unique toothless gear mechanism ensures a quicker start to ratcheting with less force, surpassing traditional ratchets. The compact gearless design navigates narrow spaces effortlessly, complemented by magnetic attachments that transform it into a versatile ratchet wrench. Crafted with precision, the set includes S2 steel bits and CRV nut drivers for durability and adaptability across diverse projects. The magnetic compact storage box adds convenience, neatly organizing 34 pieces of 1/4-inch bits, 16 pieces of 4mm bits, and 8 hex nut drivers for easy identification and retrieval. For DIY enthusiasts or professionals, the Stein set offers innovation, adaptability, and meticulous organization at an affordable price. Number 2. Priced at $12.99, the Hewing Podiatrist Toenail Clippers redefine nail care with precision and comfort. The new sharp curved blade, specially designed for ingrown and thick nails, ensures effortless cutting. Crafted from high-quality surgical-grade stainless steel, these clippers boast durability and rust resistance. The upgraded double spring mechanism enhances longevity, providing a reliable tool for extended use. The handle nail nipper, featuring ABS material, offers a non-slip and softer grip. The ergonomic design ensures comfort, a firm grip, and easy cutting. Experience professional-grade toenail care at an affordable price with the Hewing Podiatrist Toenail Clippers, where sharpness, durability, and user-friendly design converge for optimal grooming results.
Number 3. Priced at $18.98, the Black Wrench Extender is an essential tool for professionals and technicians dealing with heavy equipment. Compatible with 1/2-inch drive or 21mm hex drive, it's designed for efficiency in challenging scenarios. This tool extends wrenches, providing added leverage to effortlessly tighten or loosen stubborn rusty nuts and bolts. Constructed with heavy-duty heat-treated steel, it prevents slipping or rounding out, ensuring durability. The rust-proof material with a protective coating resists daily corrosion and tarnishing, ensuring years of reliable usage. Elevate your toolkit with the Black Wrench Extender, a versatile and durable solution that saves time and effort, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Number 4. The Roto Tape Compass, priced at $24.97, is a revolutionary tool for artisans, offering precise and versatile circle drawing. Compact at 5 inches when retracted, it outshines traditional beam compasses in your toolbox. With dual functionality, it seamlessly transforms into a straight-edge tool, simplifying distance marking from edges. Offering both metric and imperial measurements, this rotating tape measure extends up to 6 feet, covering a broad range of project needs. Addressing concerns about accuracy, it measures from the center point to the pencil, ensuring precise results. Despite the initial 2.5-inch start, it accurately represents the distance between the pencil and the center when fully retracted. Elevate your precision and convenience in circle drawing and measuring tasks with the Roto Tape Compass, a must-have for meticulous craftsmen.
Number 5. Priced at $16.99, the Meteor Blast Pressure Washer Spray Nozzle redefines efficiency in pressure cleaning tasks. Its 6-in-1 design with quick changeover and adjustable features caters to various cleaning needs, offering patterns from standard to soap and rinse. The high-precision contraption, featuring a smaller, lighter aluminum head, ensures reduced weight without compromising power. Crafted with SUS 304 thickened swivel valve, nozzles, and brass base, it guarantees durability. The inlet's 1/4-inch plug easily attaches to most brands' ones with a 1/4-inch quick connector. Notably, the removable filter on the inlet plug safeguards seals and valves from dirt and sand, enhancing cost-effectiveness. This well-designed nozzle streamlines pressure cleaning jobs, saving time by eliminating the need for heavy guns, hoses, and multiple angle nozzles. Experience unmatched efficiency and convenience with the Meteor Blast Pressure Washer Spray Nozzle, backed by strong packing and a commitment to quality. Number 6. Priced at $7.80, the Car Safety Hammer Set is a must-have for every vehicle safety kit. Featuring a window breaker and seatbelt cutter in one, it offers a quick and effective escape solution during emergencies. Crafted from high-grade carbon steel, the double-headed hammer ensures sturdy window braking, while the razor-sharp blade, mounted in a safe curved hook, effortlessly cuts seatbelts. The bright orange color enhances visibility in the dark or panic situations, and the tool's thoughtful design includes an anti-slip handle and lightweight construction for easy control. With a protective bracket for safe storage, this set of two provides extra security by being strategically placed in different parts of your car, ready for emergency use. Number 7. Priced at $109.99, the BCA S2 Cordless Polisher redefines polishing efficiency. Its powerful 5Ah lithium battery delivers an impressive 120 minutes of usage, complemented by a rapid 2.5-hour charging time. The standard kit includes 2 batteries, ensuring uninterrupted operation. The intelligent design features an LCD display for speed range and battery diagnostics, allowing easy speed adjustment for diverse polishing tasks. With 6 variable speeds and soft start, the S2 provides constant power during frequent start and stop operations. Its improved cooling system protects against overload and overheating, enabling longer operating times. Elevate your polishing experience with the professional-grade BCA S2 Cordless Polisher, combining convenience, intelligence, and exceptional heat dissipation for superior results.
Number 8. Priced at $16.14, the Besnil 4-piece nail setter is a pinnacle of precision and durability. Boasting a corrosion-resistant oxidation finish and crafted from heat-treated, hardened carbon steel, these nail setters withstand wear in varying weather conditions, ensuring extended use. The spring-loaded design eliminates the need for a hammer, making them indispensable for any worker. With versatile applications, including dual-head nail setting, center punching, hammerless cold chiseling, and hinge pin removal, this set offers comprehensive solutions for woodworking and metalworking tasks. The high-strength spring-loaded system ensures impactful performance without the need for separate tools, making it particularly useful in tight spaces. Upgrade your toolkit with the Besnil 4-piece nail setter for efficient and precise results across a range of applications. Number 9. Priced at $19.99, the Comco Roller Pet Hair Remover is the ultimate tool for pet owners, exceeding the effectiveness of traditional lint rollers. Now available in black, this roller ensures superior dog and cat hair removal, providing a deep clean without the hassle of adhesives or sticky tape. Versatile and convenient, it effortlessly cleans couches, pillows, rugs, and more, making it an essential for pet-friendly spaces. The extra sticky capability guarantees thorough removal of every strand, leaving your surroundings hair-free. Simple to use, just roll back and forth to trap fur and lint into the built-in receptacle. Sustainable and reusable, the Comco Roller is a perfectly eco-friendly choice for a consistently clean environment. Number 10. Priced at $69.99, the Woodl Steady Rest is a stalwart tool for precision woodworking. Its L-type design, featuring a stable base with 3 adjustable wheels, accommodates various spindle positions and diameters, requiring a minimum of ½ inch. Crafted from high-hardness cast iron, the body ensures a long service life by minimizing vibrations during operation, withstanding extended work hours. The high-density iron wheels, chrome-plated for corrosion resistance, provide smooth movement, ensuring stability and precision without harming the workpiece. Upgraded adjustable handles simplify wheel angle adjustments and bracket disassembly, requiring no additional tools. Versatile and suitable for cutting long-axis workpieces, this steady rest easily installs in the channel of dividing machines or dual rail lathes, broadening its applications. Elevate your woodworking precision with the durability and ease of use offered by the Woodl Steady Rest. Number 11. Priced at $39.99, the belt sander adapter for angle grinder seamlessly converts your angle grinder into a highly versatile detailing belt sander. By replacing the head attachment, this adapter unlocks a range of applications for your toolkit. The triangle design allows efficient sanding of tube and pipe surfaces, making it a professional-grade tool for precise metal rust removal. Equipped with guide pulleys, it ensures a tight grip on the belt, providing stability and accuracy during sanding work. Tailored for 15mm belts, the package includes 60, 120, 240, 400, and 600 grit belts, each measuring 18 inches, 452 millimeters in length. Compatible with grinders with a shield mount diameter up to 1.21 inch, this adapter enhances your metalworking capabilities with ease and precision. Number 12. Priced at $32.99, the toilet plunger with stainless steel air plungers is a game-changer in pipe unblocking, offering advanced features for efficient and rapid results. The high-quality stainless steel shell and handle, combined with ABS non-slip plastic, ensure safety, durability, and resistance to rust. With the ability to generate 8 levels of air pressure, indicated on the pressure gauge, this plunger adapts to different types of pipe blockages, eliminating the need for professional plumbers. The high-pressure air design flushes out blockages instantly, with a force of compressed air 0 to 120 psi, making quick work of clearing foreign objects. Versatile in application, it includes different plunger heads and is suitable for various scenes like toilets, drains, floor drains, kitchen sinks, and shower rooms, providing an all-encompassing solution for instant blockage removal. Number 13. Priced at $22.99, the Solly 9-pack Nylon Filament Abrasive Wire Brush Set is a comprehensive and durable solution for diverse applications. This set includes 3 grits each of pen brushes, flat brushes, and bowl brushes, providing a total of 9 nylon filament abrasive wire brushes. The embedded abrasive grit ensures quick and efficient removal of rust, corrosion, and the ability to sand, scuff, and deburr metal, wood, plastic, and ceramic surfaces. With broad applications, this kit is a versatile all-material-in-one solution, suitable for metal, steel, stainless steel, wood, aluminum, plastic, PVC, tiles, stones, and more. Offering enhanced safety, the synthetic, chemical-resistant nylon bristles eliminate sparks, corrosion, and the risk of skin puncture, maintaining shape without rusting or shedding bristles under normal conditions. Upgrade your toolkit with the Solly Nylon Filament Abrasive Wire Brush Set for durability, versatility, and safety in various applications. Number 14. Priced at $17.99, the American Mutt Tools 12-in-1 Ratcheting Flexible Screwdriver stands out with unmatched versatility, ergonomic design, and efficiency. The flexible bit driver allows access to screws in challenging locations, while the ratcheting function facilitates quick and easy tightening or loosening. Its ergonomic flex screwdriver handle eliminates fatigue during extended use, and the angled screwdriver bits are conveniently stored inside, streamlining your toolkit. With efficiency in mind, this screwdriver covers the 12 most common sizes, including Phillips, slotted, and star bit torques, putting an end to the hassle of searching for the right bit. Crafted from heavy-duty alloy steel, it's built to last, designed to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring durability and reliability. Upgrade your screw-driving experience with this American Mutt Tools innovation. Number 15. Priced at $21.99, the iCrimp CW or 1522 wire rope crimping tool with cutting function is a 6.8-inch tool designed for versatility in cable railing applications. Solid construction. Constructed from high-quality CRMO steel, this tool exhibits superior rust resistance. The connection joints are processed with metal sheet processing, enhancing ruggedness and force transmission. The cutting blade, with high hardness and abrasion resistance, ensures an excellent user experience. Precise design. The 2-piece jaw undergoes wire EDM cutting for precision, ensuring accurate jaw alignment and phenomenal tolerance when the jaws come together. Multifunctional tool. Featuring 4 cavities for wire rope diameters of 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters, 0.5 to 1 millimeter, 1 to 2.0 millimeters, and 2.2 millimeters. This tool is applicable to aluminum oval sleeves and double-barrel ferrules for various purposes, including railing, decking, and picture hanging. The built-in cutting blade effortlessly cuts wire rope up to 2.2 millimeters, eliminating the need for a separate cutter and saving costs. Humanized features. The ratcheting mechanism enhances efficiency in crimping sleeves, and the ergonomic SureGrip handles provide a comfortable experience during operation. Upgrade your cable railing toolkit with the iCrimp CW or 1522 wire rope crimping tool, offering solid construction, precision, multifunctionality, and user-friendly features at an affordable price.